Hi everyone, I'm Mariia from SaaSJet, and today I will show you AI Apps Builder, an AI-powered Jira app that helps you build custom Jira solutions just by chatting with AI. We are on the start page now. From here you can open the sidebar to browse apps you already built, to track your credit balance, and to find security information. In the center of the page is the most important part, the prompt box. This is where you describe what you want to create. With AI Apps Builder, you can build custom Jira apps, dashboards, gadgets, and issue panels, all without writing any code. Let's see how it works. I already prepared the prompt. Create a security review checklist for Jira issue. You can write your own prompt in simple English or choose a ready-to-use one. When you are ready, click Generate App, then create a name for your app or keep the suggested one. Now, the AI starts generating the app. It uses an agent model that plans, generates reviews, and improves the result until the app is ready to deploy. Once it's ready, click Ready to Deploy and move to the deployment page. Here you have two options, manual or automatic deployment. With manual deployment, you download a zip file that includes the fortune installer and also the full generated code, which you can share with the developer if needed. With automatic deployment, you just fill in the required fields on this page. Please note, the API token is used only during deployment and does not affect how the app works afterward. Click Test Connection. You can also review all the scopes your app uses. One important thing to remember: to deploy an app, you must be an administrator for the target Jira site. If everything looks good, click Deploy to Jira Cloud. In just a few minutes, your app is available in your Jira Cloud. Now, let's check the result. Open an issue and add the checklist. That's all. If you want to build your own Jira app this way, try AI Apps Builder. Open the app, describe your idea, and let AI create your next Jira solution. Thank you for watching. See you next time.